Hello guys, welcome to the yet another video tutorial on C programming for beginners, and in this video I'm going to teach you about comments. So as the name suggests, comments are used to provide a description of your code, and comments are generally not executed by your C program. And for example, you want to give some description of your program, what is it is doing, or what is the purpose of your line of code. You use comment. So in order to give comment to your C program, you can use two ways. One way you can use is for multi-line comment. Multi-line means more than one line comment, and this is just write / asterisk and then asterisk and /. Okay, and in between whatever you will write, it will be called a comment, and it will not be executed by your program, or it will not be compiled even by your project's program. It's just used to describe what your program is doing. So for example, I can say that this program is, and then I can go to second line and I can just write more description. This program is printing hello world, for example. So in this way you can provide multi-line comments like this, and this comment which is inside this / asterisk and asterisk / will not be executed or compiled by your C program. It's just for your reference, or if any other person sees your code, by seeing these comments he will be able to understand what your program is doing and what you want to do in your program. Now in order to provide a single line comment, for example, this line, what this line is doing particularly, I can give a comment to this line. Just give 2 / and then you can write a comment. So this is a printf function. Okay, so you can write these kind of comments in your single line comments, or you can place it here. So you can place your comment anywhere in your code. Just keep in mind you need to provide double slash or / asterisk and asterisk / and with asterisk / and asterisk. So in this way you can use comment in C program.